This is a demonstration of utilising the Aquamonix phone application to operate irrigation and review sensor data on a Rainman controller. First, I need to launch the application. The site we are connecting to is our demo system. As such, there are only 3 controllers. A client system may have hundreds of controllers listed. Instantly, I can see that 2 sites are online, shown by the green bars, meaning that they have established communications links, and 1 site is currently offline, showing a loss of communications. On this screen, I can also see that there are 4 alarms active on the demo Rainman controller. Let's access this site and see what is occurring. I can see up the top those 4 active alarms. By accessing that menu, I can see that I've had some high pressure alarms on station 1, and on the 22nd of August I had a communications restored alarm, meaning that prior to that there was some sort of communications dropout. After viewing this, I would be able to choose as an end user to head out to site and try and rectify some of these faults. Going back to the main screen of this controller, I can also access the stations and choose to turn on a single station. I can either use a test station or actually apply watering. A test station will turn on the station without turning on the pumps, which will allow us to check the current draw of the solenoids. Otherwise, I can do an actual watering, which will turn on the solenoid and the pump. I can set the watering to whatever time I require. Yes, I would like to start this station. This is now sending a command through the communications network to the site to start. This will then later poll this site and show us what is active. I can see here, I'll move back to the main site, it's telling me that station 3, which I just turned on, is currently active. If I access this, I can also see that it's running. If you would like to stop a site which is currently running, simply press the stop button. Otherwise, I could press the next button to move to the next station. I'm going to press the stop button. I can also review and start programs. Currently, there are no current irrigation programs running. Across the top in the status bar, it would be telling me if there were current irrigation programs running. I can press the start button at any point to start any existing programs. And once again, I can press the stop button or the next button to change to another program. I can also enable or disable all programs. For a period or indefinitely. This activates much like a rain switch. Alternatively, I can also modify the boost factor. Currently, it is set to 120%, meaning that any irrigation programs which are scheduled will run their stations for 120% of the time. If I change this value down to, say, 50%, it means that all irrigation programs will run for 50% of their scheduled time. I can also check all the current sensor data, including pressure, current, bore drawdown levels, maybe the flow rates, and any other sensors which are connected to the system just by viewing this data. To get the absolutely latest data and update right now, I can press the update button. Thank you for watching. As you can see, this application is an invaluable tool in operating and testing your systems out in the field for your Rainman systems. Thank you.